I ordered a new mouse pad and it's finally here. I ordered it from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. So let me just open it first. This is what was inside the cover. It's by Redgear. The size is that is pretty big, I guess. I guess this is the model number. Redgear again. What else? Pixel precise targeting. High non-slip base. This is control type. There are two options: the speed and control type. I ordered for the control type because I had a mouse pad before. The same thing, just a smaller version of it. I was still using control that time and I wanted control again. I was comfortable with it, so. Okay, what else? It says $9.99 on the box, but I got it for $500 on Amazon sale. I'll leave a link in the description, you can check it out. If it's on sale, it should be $500. If it's not, I guess it's around $700, I guess, on Amazon. Let me just open it now. Okay, it opens from the top. And I guess I just pull it out. Yep. Let me put the box aside. Okay. Wow, okay. It keeps going. Okay. This is huge. This is really long. It's actually pretty long. Oh. Yeah, a sticker? Oh yeah, it is a sticker. Cute. Pretty long. It looks really good. Wait, let me just show you the previous one. This is the other mouse pad, the small version which I had. Look at the size difference. And this is totally worn out. This is like 5 years old, but it still works okay because I don't know, like I think one layer just went off. You can tell the difference, right? So yeah, I'm going to use it and I'll let you know how it is. I used it for a while and it feels really good. Like it's really smooth, as well as I get a lot of control. Like it's not too smooth that it's just gliding away. It's smooth and control at the same time. Like I would recommend this. I would definitely recommend this. So if you like the product, just head over to the link in the description and find it. And this is the largest size, XXL. I hope this video helped few of you because I was unsure of buying this, but then now that I bought it, I actually like it. Anyways, I hope it helped.